This is what our planet would look like without its protective forest mantle. Forests cover a third of all dry land. Over tens of millions of years, forests, trees and plants have created soil which is the foundation for the growth of human civilization. However, forests do not consist only of trees. Microorganisms, trees, plants, animals and birds are interconnected in complex food chains in forests. A forest is a diverse, self-sustaining living community and functions as a complex organism. A healthy and biodiverse forest is a storehouse for water, a sink for carbon dioxide, and a factory for oxygen. It provides humans with a healthy environment and wood, a renewable source of energy, and a versatile, useful material. A diverse forest is indispensable for life on our planet, including for us, people. A rich tradition of sustainable and close-to-nature forest management has enabled the growth of genetically diverse populations of important tree species in Slovenia, including European beech and silver fir. The genetic diversity of forests enables trees to respond differently to changes in the environment. This ability to adapt is becoming increasingly important for sustainable forest management. By protecting the genetic diversity of the forests, which enables trees to adapt to changing environments, Slovenian forest scientists and professionals explore options to help our forests overcome the challenges created by climate change. Increasingly frequent extreme weather events destroy forests and impede their natural recovery. Since we wish to have and preserve diverse and sustainable forests, we emphasize the need for selecting site-adapted tree seedlings for forest regeneration. And for the future, we need to understand and monitor genetic diversity, support suitable naturally occurring forest saplings, sow and plant genetically diverse seeds and seedlings for forest regeneration, and monitor their growth over several decades. Only a genetically diverse forest will be able to adapt to the changing environment and preserve its role in the biosphere of the planet.